This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 VW Jetta cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and removing stops so it can hang down freely. Locate the filter housing behind it and prepare a clean replacement filter to hand. Begin by emptying the glove box and finding the small plastic stops on each side. Gently squeeze or unclip them and let the glove box drop so the housing is visible and you have room to work comfortably. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: I keep an Owala water bottle in the cup holder while I work. It seals tight and saves me from knocking over my iced coffee. Look in the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Unclip the housing cover and slide out the old filter, taking note of the arrow direction for airflow. Press the new filter into place until it seats fully, reattach the cover, then lift and secure the glove box back into its stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.